Hey, it's Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm, and I want to address how to choose an attorney for your workers' compensation case. Not all situations result in litigation. Hopefully yours does not. In fact, in Alabama, even though we're a litigation-based system for work comp, majority of the cases in our experience at the Nomberg Law Firm don't have to go into litigation. You don't have to file a lawsuit. You don't have to try your case in court. And you can still achieve the goals that you may have for your workers' compensation claim, whether it's money is involved or medical care, employment, whatever it may be. And it can be a combination of those things. We typically can resolve those things prior to or without litigation. Now, if we have to, of course, we'll file a lawsuit. But going back to the question, do your research. It's way too easy these days to get online and start doing research. Go into Google, go into Facebook, go into YouTube, and just start researching topics. Let's say you are in Alabama and you want a work comp lawyer. It's very easy to put in the combination of terms. Then find some law firms, pare it down. Start reading about their reviews from other past clients. Read about their qualifications. How accessible are they? Do they have social media? What content do they provide? These are all the kind of things that we strive to put out there on social media and on the internet and our Facebook and website and other platforms to be able to provide the most content, the most information, so that you can decide whether or not you want to hire one of the lawyers at the Nomberg Law Firm. Reputation, word of mouth, recommendations, all of those things are very important as well. If you ever call us and want some recommendations, we'll be glad to make recommendations from our past clients or current clients. We've got other community members and other people who can also recommend and tell you a little bit about our firm. But do your research. If you find that you've got a lawyer who does bankruptcy work but doesn't do work comp, they're not going to do you much good. Maybe they can refer you to an experienced attorney in work comp. But it's like anything else. Find an expert in that area of the law, whether it's Social Security, disability claims, work comp, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, whatever the topic at hand. Do your research and make sure you're going with somebody who's experienced. If you've been injured in an accident, if you have a work comp claim, if you have a Social Security disability matter, if you've had an automobile accident, those are the type of cases that we do. We'd be glad to talk to you. Give us a call at 205-930-6900. Look us up on the internet. nomberglaw.com is our website. We have a very active Facebook page, YouTube channel. We're also on Twitter.